Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn shopping verbs vocabulary. Window shop. To look at items in store windows without going inside the stores to make purchases. We went downtown to window shop on Sunday. Browse. To look through or glance at casually. I like to browse through the store before buying anything. Haggle. To negotiate the price of an item. He likes to haggle at the flea market. Bargain. To negotiate the price of goods. She always bargains before buying anything. Try on. To put on clothing to see if it fits. Where is the trial room? I need to try on this dress. Let's try on the shoes before buying them. Purchase. To buy something. She decided to purchase the blue dress. Gift wrap. To wrap a purchase as a gift. Can you gift wrap this for me, please? Refund. To give back money when a product is returned. We will refund your money if you return the item within 30 days. Exchange. To return a purchased item and get another one in its place. I need to exchange this shirt for a larger size. Shop. To visit stores and buy goods. We plan to shop for groceries tomorrow. Inspect. To look at something carefully to learn more about it. Always inspect the item before you buy it. Stock. To keep in stock. The store needs to stock more fresh vegetables. Tag. To label an item with information. Please tag the items with prices before putting them on display. Order. To request items or goods for purchase. I've ordered a new mobile phone online. Sell, to give something in exchange for money. Do you want to sell your old mobile phone? Ship. To send goods to a customer. They will ship your order within 2 days. Return, to take back an item to the store. You can return items within 14 days for a refund. Compare. To look at 2 or more items to see the differences. I like to compare prices before buying. Display. To show items for sale. Please display the new products at the front of the store. Reserve. To set aside an item for future purchase. I want to reserve this dress until payday. Pack. To put items into a container for sale or transport. Could you please pack this item? Pay. To give money for goods or services. Do you want to pay with cash or card? Swipe. To pass a card through a machine to pay. You need to swipe your card to complete the purchase. Queue. To stand in a line waiting for something. We had to queue for an hour to buy sandwiches.